Okay, so welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to perform SQL injection using SQL Map. SQL Map is one of the most powerful SQL injection tool out there. This tool can help you extract database names, tables, columns, and a lot more. So first of all, I will need a website or web application to test for SQL injection. And I have found this list of sites on the internet, which you can legally scan and perform different types of attacks. Now select a site from this list and then use the Vega scanner to see the vulnerable page. I already done this, and as you can see the website has high risk to SQL injection. And on the left is the complete scan. Click the arrow to drop it down. And here is the vulnerable link, which I'm going to use for my SQL injection attack. To perform the attack, I'm going to use Kali Linux, because SQL Map is already installed on Kali. So I will switch to my Kali machine and open a terminal by clicking on the terminal icon. And type SQL Map-H to see the list of options. But I will leave this for you to read. Okay, now let's do the SQL injection. So go ahead and type SQL Map-U for URL and press enter. Enter again, and I don't want these options. And no, this process can take some time. After the scan is complete, you can see that SQL Map has identified the following injection points. At this point, you can pull up databases, tables, and other information from the website. So go ahead and use the --dbs option to retrieve the databases. And here are the available databases. Now to dump information from a specific database, type --tables -d and then the table name. And it's going to dump the column names that are inside. This can also take some time depending on how many tables are inside. So go ahead and dump the content of the users by typing --columns -t users. And here you can see the content of users. And now just get rid of the columns and put dump there. Press enter and it's going to say, do you want to crack them with a dictionary attack? Again, press enter. I'm going to use the default one by pressing enter. And no for this one. And the cracking process is starting. This process can take some time depending on how strong is the password. But in my case the password is very simple. As you can see, the password was cracked for this hash here and is none. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.